What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're gonna go with Solana. We're sitting at $57. We're up 4% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 24B. 24-hour volume 1.96 billion. So let's hop to the charts. 4-hour chart retesting the head and shoulders. So I think the higher likelihood is continuation down into our target zone. I will be giving a long signal when we enter our zone to ride up the wave 3, which is the best wave to trade in Elliott wave, and the signal will be given in the Discord for $10 a month. And see that nice bounce up in our wave 3. So head and shoulders retest, higher probability continuation down to at least $43, which is the 50% fib level for the wave 2. Daily chart, as I mentioned before, we are holding the 20 EMA, but I wouldn't be surprised if we break it, come down to that next support zone right around $45, which lines up with that target zone a little bit higher than 43, but I would expect at least $43. Come down to this target support zone and then see that nice bounce and continuation to the upside. We've exploded, so it would be healthy to see some pullback. Signals will be given in the Discord for $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20. Can also win AirPods and AirPod Pro Max. Check out the description. And my signals are $10 a month. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, auto alt plays. My Forex signals, Forex analysis currently in USD, JPY, as well as silver. Some other upcoming trades, so crypto trades, signals, Forex trade signals, all for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Go check it out down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.